What if I told you that you could make money while you sleep? Not from stocks, not from crypto, but from artificial intelligence. Welcome to 2025, the era where AI builds, sells, and earns for you.
It all started when automation met creativity. From ChatGPT writing scripts to Midjourney creating art, people realized they no longer needed huge teams to run digital businesses. By 2025, the AI money machine became more than a dream. It became a system anyone could build.
Meet Alex, a 26-year-old who used to struggle working 2 jobs. In just 6 months, he created his own AI money machine. He used AI to research profitable niches, automate YouTube videos, and manage digital marketing. Every night while Alex slept, his AI system worked, generating leads, creating content, and earning money.
Alex's system runs on 3 engines. The first is AI Researcher, finds trends using ChatGPT and Google AI tools. The second is AI Creator, uses Midjourney, Runway, and 11 Labs to create videos and voiceovers. The third is AI Seller, automates marketing through email bots, ad optimization, and autoresponders. It's a digital assembly line, but instead of people, it's all powered by artificial intelligence. By the end of 2025, Alex's income grew from $200 a month to over $8,000, all from automated systems. His AI now manages 3 YouTube channels, 2 blogs, and 1 digital product shop. The secret wasn't luck. It was leveraging technology smarter than others.
Is the future of trading.
The AI revolution doesn't replace people, it rewards those who learn to control it. If you can guide AI, you can build your own money machine. Not someday, not next year, but today.
If you believe in the power of AI, it's time to take action. Subscribe to Moneyverse Stories, where ideas meet innovation and dreams turn into digital income.